Kweli, 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 kweli kabisa. Kilimo kweli, 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 kweli kabisa.
The hilly, fertile terrain that ripples across a broad swath of Africa is home to more than 6 million smallholder potato farmers. High altitudes, a temperate climate, and generally dependable rains make for near-ideal growing conditions for potato, one of the few cash crops available to small-scale farmers in the region. Potatoes are nutritious and enjoy a high market demand. They yield more calories per unit area than many other crops and have a short growing cycle compared to other food crops. These values make potato an important food security and cash crop. Troubling, however, is that farmers are meeting the growing demand for potato by expanding the areas under production rather than by tackling yield gap drivers. As farm sizes shrink, there is strong pressure to increase farm productivity. Farmers have limited choice to rotate their crops due to land scarcity. As a result, diseases accumulate and yields decline, reducing incomes even further. Furthermore, the major bottleneck to increasing productivity is limited access to quality seed of suitable varieties. This reduces yields, food availability, and farmers' incomes. In East Africa, CIP is working to significantly increase potato productivity and to improve the livelihoods of smallholder farmers in potato-growing regions. CIP is working to improve the quality of and access to seed potato tubers and to boost the supply of quality, affordable seed. Within 10 years, CIP aims to assist at least 600,000 smallholder farmers to increase their potato yields by 50% and incomes by at least $800 per hectare per season. The International Potato Center is currently leading a study in the densely populated Lushoto district in northern Tanzania. The aim of the research project is to select and promote new, resilient potato varieties which can grow under the pressures of harsh climates and provide good yields for the smallholder farmers in the district. Lushoto district is part of the Usambara highlands of Tanzania, where potatoes are traditionally grown. With an annual production of around 100,000 tons, the area produces more potatoes than countries such as Burundi, the Democratic Republic of Congo, or Mozambique. However, most of the potatoes produced in Lushoto are local varieties, such as Kidinya, a variety which is very sensitive to potato late blight disease and heat. Lushoto is one of CCAF's Climate Smart Village sites. This means that researchers, development partners, and farmers are testing climate-smart agricultural interventions in the region to boost farmers' ability to adapt to climate change, manage risks, and build resilience. The ultimate goal of the program is to improve livelihoods and incomes, and where possible, reduce greenhouse gas emissions to ensure solutions are sustainable. Currently, smallholder farmers in Lushoto can only grow potatoes economically once a year. This, however, is set to change with the development and introduction of new, resilient potato varieties. The research project consists of combining training of trainers and participatory varietal selection experiments. The training component comprises of 5 training modules that span 2 growing seasons. 3 modules during the long rainy season, and 2 in the subsequent short and hot rainy season. George Sayula, Lushoto CCAF's site team leader, is excited to be involved in this groundbreaking research project. George sees huge potential for potato in the region and hopes that potato for eating and for business will be the catch cry for future generations of smallholder farmers in Tanzania. In the field, the potato varieties are tested across 4 villages. In August 2014, 4 months after planting, 3 field days were organised to harvest and assess the plants. The farmers at each village site participated in the assessment of the plants through community review, voting, and group discussion.
Kweli, 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 kilimo. walimu. Oya, oya, oya. Washukuru walezi. Oya, oya, oya. Kweli, 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 kweli. Mwalimu kweli, kweli. Oye, 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 walimu. Oya, oya, oya. Kweli, 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 kabisa. Kilimo kweli, kweli.
The potato varieties which perform best in these trials will be submitted for official release so that the communities can benefit from the research in the near future. SIP will then work with the farmers to develop appropriate seed systems for variety dissemination in the whole district. This will be accompanied with empowerment of farming communities through the implementation of farmer-run field schools to ensure sustainability of project benefits.
Kweli, 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 kabisa. Kilimo kweli, kweli, oya. Kilimo cha biashara. Oya, oya, oya. Kweli, 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 kabisa. Kilimo kweli, kweli, oya. Kilimo cha biashara. Kilimo kweli, 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 kilimo.